Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace the batteries of this key fob. I've already done all the work so you could figure out how to do it really quickly. First thing you got to do is buy the batteries. You could buy the batteries from AutoZone or O'Reilly Auto Parts or any other auto parts store that is near you. Second thing you got to do is take the metal key that opens the trunk out. The way to do that is you slide this to the left, this comes out. The next thing you got to do is there's a gray hinge, you slide that in. During the same time with your nail, you push this cartridge out. The way if you don't have any nails, you could use some sort of a knife or a sharp object. You take it out and then replace the batteries. Now, in order to figure out which one's on top and which one's on bottom, because there's two of them, they have this small indicator right there that says two positives, on top of each other. The next thing you got to do is replace those. It's very easy to do. You just pop it in from this top portion, not here, but the top. You don't have to raise this up because this is holding the battery in place. And then replace it, put it back in the unit. The way to do it, make sure you're not putting it on the silicone, you're just pushing it back in. And it's firmly in place. You could put your metal key back in and click on it. There you go. I heard the noise and we're done.